I can't see it for you. Not with the good Lord's pupils. I can't do it.
So once again, I am addicted to a mobile game, and once again, it is your fault, the internet. I have been playing Kim Kardashian Hollywood, but let me explain. Hold up, wait, I'm not finished. First of all, it's Crissle's fault, and it's Crissle's fault because she allowed the devil to punch around on her Tumblr timeline and introduce her to a hack. And with a hack, you can basically have unlimited money and coins and access to like every girl's dream, whatever the fuck. So I tried. Like, I really did try. I made an honest effort to stay away from Kris Jenner and her mobile fuckery, but I just got sucked in. It's so colorful and just this cheating hack. I mean, I guess it takes away the point of the game to have $1 billion as soon as you start instead of being broke, but it's not like Kim Kardashian worked for her goddamn money, so like who cares, you know, just the same shit. So the whole point of Kim Kardashian Hollywood is to basically look sickening and do nothing. You start off the game as like this sales clerk at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, or well, I guess a boutique, whatever the fuck, and Kim Kardashian comes into your store and here you are, just this downtrodden, poor bitch with a perfect body, and Kim comes up to you and sees this dress that she likes and you give her the dress for free, which, bitch, why would you even do that? She has all of the money. What? Pay for the dress. Why am I giving you free garments, girl? I'm the one who ain't got no money. Anyway, you give her the dress, she invites you to a party, and from there you start your climb up the social ladder and pop culture or whatever the fuck. Now you get to create your own character in the game, male or female. I personally chose to be a bad light-skinned bitch. Because I just felt like that's the whole point. I named her Shy, because Shy sounds like not necessarily an ex-stripper's name, but like she been through some shit, you know? So here's Shy. As you can see, she's sickening. Here she is walking in fashion shows, going on dates, making club appearances, and shooting drunken love. I kind of stand for her. So basically you take this character that you created, and just by being friends with Kim Kardashian, you end up with like a manager and a publicist, haters, and then you end up getting calls to like take pictures and be pretty all over the country and shit. It's so pointless and it's everything. It makes no sense how addicted I am to this dumb gay ass game. Like, my girl Shy has 6 homes, she has a car in each of the garages, she has a fine ass man, about 3 or 4 side pieces, she has all of the latest outfits and shoes, her weave long and her pussy is good. Like, you can't tell me anything about, like, it's fun. I don't get it. So the whole point of the game is, again, to climb up the social ladder and be famous. And in order to do that, you have to do like all of these little gigs, like photo shoots for fashion magazines, TV commercials, endorsed products like hair gel and booty fitness DVDs, bitch, whatever, like Instagram jobs. The more you do these jobs, the more your face is seen, and then you start to get media coverage and like Twitter fans, and then you climb up from like E-list, which, bitch, I didn't even know there was an E-list, all the way up to the A. Now, in order to complete these little tasks, you have these like bubbles that pop up on the screen, and each bubble has an action in it. Let's say, for instance, you're making a club appearance. You'll see these little bubbles that will pop up, and each one of them will have a different action inside, like drink, dance, pop Molly, pass out, open car door so you can piss on the curb, shit like that. In order to take these actions, you basically just have to tap the bubbles really fast. Just tap, 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 tap. And I'm assuming that if you're like a Kim Kardashian stan, you have that thumb strength anyway, so it's just like perfect. Now, dating is a very interesting part of this game as well. I actually really like that your character can be either gay or straight or bisexual. You can be into like studs, femmes, you can be into the trade, and you can dress them up however you want to. Kinda sucks that you can't change their face, Kim, because some of them have like pink and purple hair, blue hair and shit. I don't want to go out on a date with a nigga that look like he's a citizen of the capital of Pan Am. Like, I just can't. I can't. I love that when you get to the end of like the dating meter with a person, it goes from like wanting to spend more time with you to then giving you keys to their apartment to then saying I love you, and then I'm thinking like the last meter is gonna be let's get married. No, he just says I love you again. Like, okay. Not even virtual commitment from these niggas, god damn. Anyway, I'm not a Kim Kardashian fan at all. That's no fucking secret. But the game is actually loads of fun. It's kind of like The Sims Bird expansion pack or something. Like, it's a bird-ass game, but that's what I think I like about it. The game doesn't take itself too seriously. Like, at no point have I been asked to save the whales or feed the hungry, but my girl is like on yachts, partying at the fake live in Miami like she's having a grand ass time. It kind of pokes fun at how vapid and just ridiculous Hollywood can be. And I don't know if that's intentional or not, but either way, it's fun. And there are actually a lot of really good points that are made about like fame and confidence and all of these like important things when you're not flying from city to city trying to find shoes for Kim or some shit. Like, it has its moments, that's all I'm saying. I'm trying to be nice. And it's also really cool that, oh, my manager's calling me, hold on. So whatever, Kim, you win this round, but mostly because I was able to cheat and I'm a sucker for video games. Kim Kardashian, fuck really would, whatever, the game is good. Kanye did not produce any of this music.